homogeneous in both color and texture. Mixing should be done mechanically. Only turn on the mixer after the beater has been introduced in the mixture and after firmly securing the pail. Be sure to mix the product well in the corners. On average, the product can be applied up to 30 minutes after mixed. If left open during this time, it may change depending on room temperature. Hands should be protected with gloves when handling this product. Apply the glue in a vigorous circular movement, pressing the glue against the subflooring and using the spatula in an upright position when spreading the glue. When applying the glue in a ground floor installation, the glue should fully cover the subflooring. The surfaces of wood flooring that got splattered with glue during their placement should be cleaned after each pail has been applied. For the removal of the glue from the wood, as well as eventual skin contact, we recommend Radsolve. When installing IndusParquet pre-finished flooring, extreme care must be taken to remove the glue from the pre-finished flooring surface immediately after each piece has been laid. Once the glue has begun to dry, the removal of these residues becomes more difficult. It is important to note that wood is subject to variations due to expansion and contraction over time. To allow for this, an average of 0.6 inches or 15 millimeters should be left along the flooring's edges. IndusParquet offers our clients several types of flooring. We will now comment on the details for installing our main products. These floors can be installed on several types of subflooring, such as plywood, slats, or other pre-existing floors. In case of installing plywood over an existing floor, the installer should determine the best option. IndusParquet offers the flooring market two types of decking: the traditional model, which can be either smooth or grooved, or a new groove decking that does not require dowels since it is secured by interlocking with neighboring pieces. All the components required for the installation of this decking are included in the IndusParquet female-to-female decking kit. For the other decking installation, the base structure should preferably be of épais or a wood of comparable hardness, and it should be fixed by screws placed every 19.6 inches or 50 centimeters. In this case, it is important that the screws attach firmly to the base. They should be installed at 2 points of each board and never in its center. The best installation technique for ceiling and wall coverings should be evaluated according to each specific location. One of the features that IndusParquet stands out for is its line of pre-finished flooring. It comprises easy-to-install products that are pre-sanded and finished with 6 coats of UV-dried zinc oxide varnish, developed by the industry's leading worldwide manufacturers. This finish increases abrasion resistance. Another advantage of our pre-finished flooring is the short time it requires post-installation before it can be used. Only 24 hours, and the location where it is installed is free for normal usage. Pre-finished floors are available in several sizes, and their installation varies according to the width and thickness of their boards, as well as the location where they are to be installed. Flooring types of 0.31 to 0.43 inches or 8 to 11 millimeters in thickness are normally just glued right on to 0.39 inch or 10 millimeter marine plywood with IndusParquet PU glue. For flooring of 0.55 and 0.7 inches or 14 and 18 millimeters, the safer, most employed technique requires an initial underlayer of plastic film as a waterproof barrier, on which the 0.39 inch or 10 millimeter marine plywood is placed and set into place by screws and bushings. The flooring should be glued to the plywood with PU glue and fixed into position with an air gun just on the tongue side. When installing directly onto the concrete, we recommend extra caution be taken to ensure that the surface is truly plain and the concrete base meets the conditions to adequately serve as a subflooring. After installing pre-finished flooring, extreme care must be taken in cleaning the flooring surface immediately after each piece has been glued, since the removal of residual glue becomes very difficult after it has fully dried. IndusParquet floors are easy to maintain, requiring only a few basic steps, as we will now demonstrate. To clean them, use only soft hair brooms or lightly moistened soft cloths. Never use organic solvents or other products such as bleaches, detergents, alcohol, or wax. Humidity is a wood floor's greatest enemy, so always seek to avoid that the humidity from bathrooms and kitchens gain access to it. Also, be alert to open doors and windows on rainy days when water might come in. Plant vases should also be kept from direct contact on a wood floor, as they might stain it. Protect your floor by placing felt pads on furniture legs. Do not drag heavy furniture over it, and avoid office-style chairs with wheels. Waterproof rugs are not recommended, since they keep the floor from breathing. Solid wood is a noble material that conveys a sense of security, solidity, and coziness, besides conferring its beauty to any room where it's installed. However, one of its greatest qualities is its durability. Hardwood flooring can last a lifetime, and achieving this longevity only requires careful installation and maintenance. As a world leader in this market, IndusParquet places its excellence in hardwood flooring at your disposal. IndusParquet flooring. Life passes through here.